Fresh from the orchard, nothing tastes better than apples picked with your own hands. Careful now, these beauties are heavy, but worth every lift.
These are too heavy.
A good pie always starts clean. Wash away the dust of the day. Take your time, every slice matters. Homemade crust, no shortcuts in this kitchen. And just a little cinnamon, that's the secret. Fill it generously. Love should never be measured.
Tuck it in gently, like a warm blanket.
Press gently all around to seal it tight. See, a perfect seal, no leaks. A golden touch, because every pie deserves to shine. Now we wait and let the oven do its magic. Some recipes are made with apples, but the best ones are made with love.